naman kung ang bata ay illegitimate? If the child is illegitimate, the parental authority is with the mother. Paano kung naghiwalay ang mag-asawa? Sino ngayon ang mangangalaga o may karapatan sa kustodiyan ng mga anak? Lalong-lalo na kung ito ay unemancipated. Authority is awarded by the court taking into consideration the welfare and best interest of the child. However, if the child is of tender age or below 7 years old, the law says no child under 7 years old shall be separated from the mother. Kung ang anak niyo po ay below 7 years old, dapat ang pangangalaga po niyan ay nasa mother. But there are exceptions. Even the child is of tender age, the child can be separated from the mother when the court finds compelling reason to order otherwise. Example of compelling reason is that the mother is already a common law relationship. Kung mayroon ng kinakasamang iba ang kanyang ina maliban sa kanyang ama, maaring ibigay sa ama ang pangangalaga. Another compelling reason, if the mother left the child with the father for long period of time, justice might result if the child will be separated from the father. Sa tagal ng panahon, hinayaan ng ina na alagaan ang kanyang anak ng ama at sa kanya ibinigay ng ina yung pangangalaga. At pagdating ng panahon, basta-basta na lang kukunin ng ina yung bata, hindi yan po pwede. Reason of the child from the father might prejudice the welfare of the child.